Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we are going to be discussing the third evolutionary theorist named Ferdinand Tönnies. So in the previous videos, we have discussed the two evolutionary theorists called Allama ibn Khaldun and Herbert Spencer. You can check out their videos and I have attached their videos in the description box below. So today, as we are discussing the third evolutionary theorist Ferdinand Tönnies, before I start this video, I would request you all to kindly subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, so Ferdinand Tönnies, who was born on July 26, 1855, near Oldenswert, North Frisia, and died on 9th of April 1936 in Germany, was a German sociologist. He was a major contributor to sociological theory and field studies, as well as bringing Thomas Hobbes back on the agenda by publishing his manuscripts. He is best known for his distinction between two types of social groups, Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. He was, however, a prolific writer and also co-founder of the German Society for Sociology. He was a major contributor to sociological theory and field studies, as well as bringing Thomas Hobbes back on the agenda by publishing his manuscripts. He is best known for his distinction between two types of social groups, Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. He was, however, a prolific writer and also co-founder of the German Society for Sociology. Let's talk about his life. Ferdinand Tönnies was born into a wealthy farmer's family in North Friesland in Schleswig-Holstein, then under Danish rule. He studied at the universities of Jena, Bonn, Leipzig, Berlin, and Tübingen. He received a doctorate in Tübingen in 1877 with a Latin thesis on the ancient Siva oasis. 4 years later, he became a private lecturer at the University of Kiel. Because he had sympathized with the Hamburg dockers' strike of 1896, the conservative Prussian government considered him to be a social democrat, and Tönnies was not called to a professorial chair until 1913. He held this post at the University of Kiel for only 3 years. He returned to the university as a professor emeritus in 1921 and taught until 1933, when he was ousted by the Nazis due to his earlier publications that criticized them. Tönnies, the first German sociologist proper, published over 900 works and contributed to many areas of sociology and philosophy. Many of his writings on sociological theories, including Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft 1887, furthered pure sociology. He coined the term voluntarism. Tönnies also contributed to the study of social change, particularly on public opinion, customs and technology, crime and suicide. He also had a vivid interest in methodology, especially statistics and sociological research, inventing his own technique of statistical association. He was a German thinker on the pattern of Hegel, Comte, and Spencer. He considered society as a product of human will. For him, sociology was a study of social will, a theory of human will. He tries to understand society as a function of human will. So, coming towards the theories of Tönnies, let's discuss his theory of Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. According to Tönnies, society is a product of human will. This will may be one of two types: natural will, which is the basis of Gemeinschaft, and rational will, which is the basis of Gesellschaft. Natural will represents the foundation of traditional society. Rational will is the basis of modern industrial society. Tönnies divided sociology into three types. The first one is pure sociology, which concentrates on the development of conceptual models. Second is applied sociology, which is the application of these concepts to sociological phenomena, and empirical sociology. The third one is utilizing empirical methods and data in an inductive manner. Tönnies' major contribution is his forms of social will, Gemeinschaft and Gesellschaft. What is Gemeinschaft basically? It represents a traditional society based on close family relationships, norms of love, understanding, and protection, with the social bonds of kinship, locality, and common language. It is called natural society. And when we talk about Gesellschaft, it is basically found in modern industrial society. It is based on economic, impersonal, and artificial relationships, norms of economic value, labor, and bonds of social class. It is the difference of rural and urban communities. Gemeinschaft is a community in which most people know one another. Gesellschaft is an association in which most people are strangers to one another. In the Gemeinschaft, interpersonal relationships are close. People have a strong feeling of shared group membership. Kinship ties are strong, and social life centers on the family. Whereas in the Gesellschaft, relationships are impersonal and they are based on practical need that people have one for another. Here is urbanization, in which strong interpersonal bond is replaced by an association of individuals. Relationships among them are temporary and impersonal. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon beside it so you can get the updates of the future videos regarding sociological and related stuff. Thank you so much.